Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a pinnacle chevron stitch knitting stitch pattern. This pattern can be used for making a scarf, shawl, jacket, cap, socks, muffler, etc. Friends, it is a 16 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 18 plus 1 extra stitch. Let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 19 stitches on my needle, 18 and plus 1 extra stitch. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. Purl 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start and the pattern is yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, then yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat it again. Knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After that yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, then yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Do it twice. Again yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row and the pattern is in starting here is a 1 purl stitch. After that pattern is start and the pattern is knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 1. Second row, wrong side, knit 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start and the pattern is yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will do it twice. So again purl 2 stitches, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, again knit 2 stitches, purl 2 stitches, knit 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row and the patterns is in starting here is 1 knit stitch. After that pattern is start and pattern is purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1. Third row is same as row 1. So let's complete this row as row 1. Fourth row will be same as of the row second. So let's complete this row as row second. Fifth row, purl 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start and the pattern is purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, again yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the pattern is, in starting here is one purl stitch, after that our pattern is start, and pattern is purl 1, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. 6th row, knit 1 stitch, after that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, then again purl 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is, starting here is a knit stitch, after that pattern is start, and pattern is knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 3, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. 7th row will be same as of a row 5. So let's complete this row as row 5. 8th row will be same as of a row 6th. So let's complete this row as row 6th. 9th row. Friends, 9th row will be same as of a row 2nd and 4th. So let's complete the 9th row as row 2nd and 4th. 10th row will be same as of the row 1st and 3rd. So let's complete this row as same as row 3rd and 1st. 11th row will be same as of the row 2nd and 4th. So let's complete this row as row 2nd and 4th. 12th row will be same as of a row 1st and 3rd. So let's complete this row as row 1st and 3rd. 13th row will be same as of a row 6 and 8. So let's complete this row as row 6 and 8. 14th row will be same as of a row 5 and 7. So let's complete the row 14 as row 5 and 7. 15th row will be same as row 6 and 8. So let's complete the row 15 as row 6. 16th row will be same as of a row 5 and 7. So let's complete this row as row 5 and 7. So friends, after the 16 rows, our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat our row 1 to 16 for the desired length of the pattern. Friends, row 1 and 3 is same, row 2nd and 4th is same, row 5 and 7 same, 6 and 8 row same. After that, row 9 is same as of row 2nd and 4th, row 10 is same as row 1 and 3, row 11 is same as row 2nd and 4, row 12 is same as 1 and 3, row 13 is same as row 6 and 8, row 14 is same as row 5 and 7, row 15 is same as 6 and 8, row 16 is same as 5 and 7. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.